Hello YouTubers, and today I'm going to be showing you how to unbox a erupting volcano. Shall we get started? On the side here, before you buy this, it also shows you all the things that you might want to know. Here are some gel packets. And this that I have right here is actually the volcano. Here we have is a tube and the volcano bits. You just need to keep them together. We also have some powder. They are all sorts of colors. So if you like rainbow, you're probably gonna like all of these colors. We've got some tools that we are gonna use that you might want to use when you buy this. Inside the box, there are two of these. I think one's Spanish and one is English. We're gonna use this one. This is English. Inside the book, it shows you what you're gonna have, and then it shows you what's in it and what you might need from home. And this is stuff about volcanoes. And then it will show you at the rest of the book on how to do it. Thank you for watching, and Moo Cow agrees.